This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That is my spinner, as you can see, and I want to use it. And this is my ring pour cup. And I've added a little bit of water to my Chantilly lace. It's a Prizm Pour from Colour Arte. And I'm going to put it right in the bottom of my cup. It's still pretty thick. I am going to take some chances and mix a few different kinds of paint today. I have some 24 karat gold from Deco Art Americana. Back to the Colour Arte, it's Baltic Amber. It's only a 12 by 12 inch canvas and it's primed, pre-primed and dried with black maiden paint. I have only very little of the Indian spice gold left. I love this color. I'm wondering if I should put black in between something. I have some black standing by. I think I'm going to use it. It's a little bit of Sherwin Williams Tricorn Black. It's a because I can thing. It looks like it wants to sink. So it's an experiment worth knowing about so I don't do it again if it doesn't work. Here's some more Chantilly lace next to that black. That might be interesting. I have something called Solar Flare, which is a Prizm Pour from Colour Arte. And it had a lump in it, which I'm going to have to look for. I have some Primary Element Golden Poppy. I want something more yellow, and I have some Tuscan Sun. It wasn't ready, but I'm going to use it anyway. I gave it a bit of a shake. That's a Prizm Pour. I'm going to go back again to some of the Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold. I think I'm almost done pouring colors. It's a little more Chantilly lace, which looks for some reason thicker than other things. I've got some, what have I got? I've got some Pixie Dust, which is a Primary Element Pigment powder. I'd like some contrast, and for a minute it just didn't seem like there was enough. I could put some orange in there, but I think I will stick with the Baltic Amber. And maybe I'll put a little tiny bit more black in there, just because I can, like the name of my book. The first book is on the Amazon link, next to the second book, called Unlimited Possibilities. That's a lot of paint for a little canvas. And I have a weird plan about how, since I'm going to be spinning it out, put the caps on my paint for a second. Part of me wanted to use some silver in there. Alright, so no matter what I do, I might put some moist black in between before it fills in completely. And I'm right about needing the contrast. Let me let that cup drain down, and I'm going to put some of that paint in there quick before it fills in. And I'm still going to be spinning it out, so it's going to be a good experiment. more paint, black paint I can get, I will put in also. I think I'm going to take a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula while I can. Scrape out my cup. That's what that looks like. This is a number 2. It's on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is below Show More. If you shop there, it's no how to cost you. There's a lot of stuff, a lot of tools there that I use, paint, colors, etc. Okay, using my finger. I'm going to get that paint out no matter what. I got most of it. I hate wasting paint. I can't help it. I just do. I can't imagine anybody not hating wasting paint. But plenty of people think paint is just paint, but paint is money. Sorry, but that's what I feel like. Okay, let's see if I can get a little bit more black to join us. So I can continue that black line. It's slow but steady. And maybe it's time to grab another Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and use that black, which I've just recalled I did put in a squeeze bottle. So if I wanted to spread it out, I could. I'm going to throw that right into my dedicated for rinsing house paint tools bucket, and quick like a bunny, come over here. I've used an old Vivid Polypore container. I'll be very interested to see how this turns out. And that is Tricorn Black, and that will be listed down below the video in the description, along with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, all on my link tree. I see there are bubbles there, which begs me to either use a skewer now, which is probably the best course of event. I have seen a couple of artists quick like a bunny, which is my idea. I heard somebody recently talk about using an alcohol spritz, and I have an alcohol spritz. I'm really tempted to do that right now. So let me grab my alcohol spritz and we'll give it a try. That was one. I don't see any difference. Okay, so it didn't work for me. So we're going to spin this out. Which way should we go? And is that an object that does not belong? Yes, it is. I'm so good at that now. Finding things that don't belong. All right, here goes everything. I left the lid to my paint cover in the... Yesterday I had a incident where everything was wumping against the side as I did a 12 by 12. I like that the other way. Whoa. Okay, that was a little too vehement, obviously. Let's reinstall that. There we go. Nothing ventured, nothing gained, I guess. See if I can find a skewer to round out the center. I've got to keep spinning. Because I want that to go over the edge. I wonder if I can do stuff like I guess I ought to go with the pattern, huh? Oh, I like the way that looks. That's cool. Sort of an ammonite. I am using the large end of the skewer. I do kind of want to grab a palette knife and pull some of this paint that's not quite all the way out, pull it out. This reminds me of a painting I did a long time ago that I need to try and do again, where there were a lot of tendrils. I'm not sure how many more of these I need. I'm not sure I like them as much as I liked them when I started, but if I continue, at least it'll look cohesive. Definitely wants me to continue to spin. I wonder what I can do with that. Can't do that. Can't do what I wanted with it. Can I float it? I'm not sure I can float it. But I do have gold paint. Check that out. That might work well if I'm careful. Grab a little more from over here. And all that'll help if I spin one more time. Probably could have used that in some way. Use my spare. Alright, one more spin and I think I'm done. Am I all safe? I'm not sure it's as spectacular as I was hoping, but tomorrow might tell a completely different story. It must be completely awesome. After trying to throw the painting around inside the pool. There, it's getting to be a lot closer to what I thought I was going to get. And I like it. Do I have more paint? Do I want to cheat? Do I want to put anything over here? I kind of do, but that would require the black. So I guess I'm going to do that. Just one more. I said that a minute ago, didn't I? I used to fossil in Britain, in Folkestone, with a group of rockhounds. And this reminds me of that because it's ammonite shaped. I think I should stop now because it is what it is, but I should definitely stop now. She added one more dollop. Alright, so I love you guys. I'm going to shimmer that at you. Decide which way is the best way up. Ooh, that's the best way up, right there, for you. I've got lights on I should not have on. Fossil or flower. Oh, that's pretty cool from up here. I like it. So don't forget there's a Colour Arte coupon code for 20% off right below the video. if you happen to want to buy some Prizm Pours or Primary Elements, it's an awesome opportunity, and I am a Colour Arte affiliate, so you will be helping me out. I kind of think that I would like to make those marks go all the way through. Not sure I can get away with that, but I'm going to try it. Got to be careful not to drag anything. Oh, I had one little tail, but otherwise I might as well stop right there. That's where the pattern starts to break up. So I love you guys. I want to say thank you for coming. If you're interested in more videos, I have 2,600 videos. You can find them by going to my channel, searching for playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. I'm accepting memberships now. I'm compiling a new library of members only videos. I guess that's got to go in there, or it just won't be right. I'm not sure I did myself any favors doing this, but I did at least find that bubble, and that bubble, and that bubble. And if there are any more, I might find them. Well, it's an interesting piece. It might not be my favorite right now, but tomorrow could change everything. I love you guys. I hope you come again. I post at 2:30, 2:15 Eastern Standard Time, 7 days a week. Part of me just wants to find some riotous color and use it to swipe over it. But I do love spirals and I do love ammonites, so it shouldn't be an issue. Alright, you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Make sure to check on my link tree below, show more. Oh, that's better. I like that better. Yeah, reminds me of cave paintings now. A little primitive, but kind of charming. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. Share my videos, watch them longer. My email address is easpb, and the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. If you'd like to make a purchase, contact me using my email address, or if you're inquiring about a lesson at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, they're one-on-one. I keep wanting to mess with this. Just spin that circle. There we go. Cool. I'm glad I messed with it. Throw my tools that are getting kind of painty in the bucket. Say I'll see you guys anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.